Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing the sneezing challenge, and I'm going to give a shout out to Megan FY for telling me to do this challenge, because I was kind of not knowing what challenge to do next that, was a good challenge that wouldn't really hurt me, like I said in my other video. So if you have a challenge that I could do, message me like Megan did, and I only recommend challenges that won't, hurt me and stuff, like possibly could kill me or something like that, like the California knockout or like the cinnamon challenge or the salt and ice challenge. Like, don't tell me to do stuff like that. But, other things. Like, apparently the sneezing challenge, I've never really heard of this, but I guess now I do. So I guess you just roll up a tissue or something like this, and then you just stick it up your nose. I'm not a really pretty sneezer in the first place, so let's just try to look past my ugliness. Okay, I'm just gonna stick this up. Don't judge me. I'm just trying to do this. Okay. Oh, oh man, this is. Oh God, where'd my? Ew. Okay, so I guess we're just gonna see how many times I can sneeze in like the next couple minutes or so. Okay, so one. So far. Oh. Oh God. My sneezes sound really weird. Oh God. Oh, this is so gross. Why'd you tell me to do this? I thought you were like being nice and just be like, oh, it's such a cool challenge. No, no, this is not cool. No. Okay. Ew. Gross. Okay. I guess do it again. So two so far. It's going really deep. Okay, no, I'm not. Okay, two. I did two. Good job, Cassidy. Okay. It went so far. I felt like it like going into my skull. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. This challenge is disgusting. Okay. Ew. What was that? Okay. Um. Comment below. I can't even talk normal now. What the heck? Okay. Comment below. Other challenges I could do, all that kind of stuff. So, thanks for watching, subscribe, and all that stuff. So, thanks. Bye. Megan, that was just weird, okay? Weird.